Get creative with your library's Pick and Mix cartoon workshops. In this workshop, you'll learn to draw a dog and tell a joke or two.
Alright, lucky last, Murray Ball, Wisdom of Dog, Footrot flats, classic, total bangers, literally every one of them. So it's a single cell, each picture is its own thing. It's got a bit of a quippy joke. For example, both things growing. It's pretty great. The Footrot Flats movie is great if you want to watch that, but I would come in, there's a few Footrot Flats books here to have a look at. It's awesome before bed, just, you know, read a few pages. So everything in here is quite, we've got speech bubbles, we've got thin lines, so I'm going to be pulling out this again. I've got a main character that happens to be a dog. I've also got a main character of the human. So we're going to think about something really quick, really doesn't have to be political, just something really kind of ready to go. And this is based on kind of an Australian farm, so we want to play with that idea too. Sheep station, cattle station. All right, let's have a go. So first of all, I'm going to draw up my box. So these all seem to be in kind of this landscape format with a hand-drawn box around it. I'm just making this up, so I think you should have a go too and make one up yourself. Alrighty, so I think I'm going to do this with a bit of the sheep thing in mind, and I think I'm going to have my dingo. I think I'm going to replace our dog for our dingo. I've still got to work surfing in here, so I haven't forgotten about that. And so let's start. Let's do some clippers. Big beefy arm coming around. Let's start to do our singlet top. Let's put our dingo in here. I'm going to work with this teeth kind of thing happening here. A few lines of fur here. Alrighty, we're going to have some little tufts of hair around. Some floorboards. Keep that hair around. There's a big chunky hand there. Now I'm not great at drawing faces, so I'm going to cheat. And I'm going to draw a low hat like this. I'm going to put a bit of shading here. There's a lot of shading in these. I'm going to have this clippers here. Bit of corrugated iron on the roof there. Let's draw a door frame over here. We'll do a bit of an emotive thing here, a bit of smoke, a bit of anger, a bit of movement here. Our speech bubble, our surfboard, doing our surfer dude, and we do our mullet and some sunnies. Double pluggers and his rugby shorts. Make sure we really define this mullet that I've drawn here and really define this guy's mullet. Not my best joke. Within the realms of this and Footrot flats, you got something quick. We got a sheep thing. Maybe I need a few sheep. I know. Here we go. Let's pad this joke out a bit. A couple of angry sheeps with mullets. And if I was really clever and I'd thought about it beforehand, I could have put a big mullet sheep here. Looking real peeved off with his new mullet haircut.
Enjoy this workshop? Explore more at Clarence Regional Library YouTube.